today we believe that the Middle Ages were dark, sinister, gloomy, barbarian. The term Gothic appeals to a world of shadows, vampires and scary castles. But if we overcome these prejudices, we shall discover that Gothic culture was the last time in the West where magic impregnated all domains of life. In Gothic culture is mysteriously expressed the sacred connections that humans can establish with the earth, a connection that was artistically expressed in the most magnificent architectures. Operative Traditions III, written by Miguel Fernandez, is a door to such magic. A door to a colorful vision of the universe, an alchemy where all matter is alive and where chaos makes anything possible. A place for creative science. An opportunity for discovering the language of nature. Here we realize that nature magically organizes toward her highest and most beautiful expression. Gaining also a chance, once again, to cultivate such magic.